So I'll show you the damage to the front of it as well first. So we have a little scrape mark here, right there. Hello fellow rebels, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a story of kindness, a crash, and the aftermath of it, I suppose. So yeah, let's get into it. So on Saturday I had a friend looking to sort out his bike for the bike test. He had lost his tax disc for his bike, so he couldn't ride it. He can't ride it for his test, which is coming up this week. And I said, look, I'll offer a bit of kindness to help another brother on the road, as they say. And so I offered my bike, and you can insure the bike the whole lot. So I brought it out to him to see if he could fit him height wise, because I'm a bit taller than he is. So I brought it out and he took it for a little spin, and he had an accident on it. So the Silver Rebel got damaged, and so I'm going to show you the damage now, and then we can talk a little bit more after it. So damage, if you can see here in the center frame, I'll show you now. That frame is off here. See where the lights are down here and here. That should be in the center, but it's not. You can see it's gone off there to the left. So I'll show you the damage to the front of it as well first. So we have a little scrape mark here, right there. Okay, and then the big damage then is here. See, there. Give you a better look at it there. And then here as well. Completely decimated. That was all fine before it happened. That was all completely fine. So now it's kind of wonky here. You can see it there. That'll be tightened in once the new fairing is got as well. So the rivets popped out here, and here as well. See them here as well. Yeah, all popped out of there. There's no other damage, but this side as well will show you as well. The rivets are popped out of there as well. See? So that's been shifted. So hopefully it's only the rivet. You can see the damage there as well. Hopefully it's only the rivet, and that will right itself once I get a new frame. Hopefully so. The concern is if this frame here is damaged, then that's a big concern. Probably money wise as well. But if it's only the fairing, then we can get a replacement fairing and get it sorted. So it's hard to see, but it definitely has shifted if you look at it. I suppose if you look at it from the front, it's shifted to this side. You can see it there. The way it's shifted over. You can actually see in between the forks that it's not level. That should be more here in central as well. So yeah, fun times. So there's a crack along there. It's definitely a new fairing anyway. And yeah, that's the story. So yeah. So you can actually see it here now that I'm sitting up straight on it. Look, the bike's up straight, but look, it's all gone to the side there. You can see it's not straight, and even the mirrors are not lining up properly either. Look at that mirror down there. That's gone down to this side. So it's definitely gone off. So yeah, that's it. In fairness to him, he's going to get it fixed. I have someone call up today to have a look at it. And I didn't realise there were so many bike breakers in around the southeast of Ireland. And hopefully we can just get a repair, get it done, get me back on the road, because I'm only starting to get used to the adventures on this, and we can put everything behind us. I've been annoyed, I've been pissed off myself as well, but then I was like, it's an act of kindness. You're looking after somebody, and you know there could be worse things that could have happened as well. You know, lesson learned. Keep your things to yourself, as they say. But I might have a loan of a bike soon, so I might be back on the road. We'll see. but I have plenty of adventures to load up anyway, so I shouldn't miss any of the Wednesdays at 7 o'clock. So I should have a new video every Wednesday at 7 o'clock still. Even without the bike, we can do talks on the bike, but like I said, I have plenty of footage from other adventures that I've had already, so that should suffice for a while anyway. Thanks for watching. Deise REV'IT out.